Hi, I'm Mohammed from AptPay. The best credit card machine terminal for train is a mobile terminal. It has great Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity wherever you are traveling throughout the UK, so that customers can easily buy the refreshment they need to get through those long journeys if they don't have cash. You will be able to give everyone who travels with you a great customer experience with the latest mobile credit card terminals. Thanks for watching. Got a question about credit card terminals? Please get in touch here and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.